My drill press depth stop is broken. But that's okay. I'm gonna 3D print a new one. The first thing I did was take measurements of the broken piece using digital calipers. I did a crude drawing of the piece and wrote down these measurements. I also traced around the edges of the broken piece and used geometry to make my model more accurate. I used a free online program called Tinkercad to design my model and download my 3D print files. Then I 3D printed it. I went through several variations of this. The first one was too flexible and didn't give a good grip when I screwed it onto the drill press. I added a brace to the second piece, and although it was better, the inside lip was too small and didn't give a tight fit. The third one, the lip was better, but the outside diameter of the whole circle was too large and I still couldn't get a tight fit. My fourth design finally hit all the marks and fit tightly around the drill press. I heated the screws with a lighter for a few seconds to create the threads in the 3D printed pieces. The hot screw melts the plastic a little, and as it cools and hardens, it makes the perfect fit. I repeated this process for all 4 of the holes in the 3D printed piece. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. After all the threads were set, it was time to attach it to the drill press. I wasn't actually sure whether this thing was going to hold up to the rigors of actually stopping the drill press, so I decided I should give it a few tests. I set my depth stop to exactly 1 inch and tried a test hole just to make sure this thing didn't break off when I got to the bottom. Seems to be working well. Even applying a little pressure to the drill press, it seems to hold on tightly. Now I was going to check the actual depth of the hole. I set the tip of my drill bit just touching the board and drilled a hole down to where the depth was set. This hole should be 1 inch deep. Using my trusty calipers with the depth gauge on them, I checked the depth of the hole. Although it's impossible to see here, it measured exactly 1 inch. 3D printed depth stop is a success, and I can still use my 70-year-old drill press for accurate drilling. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.